Client reporting can be time-consuming and often feels like a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify client reporting with shared boards, making your workflow smoother and saving you a ton of time. Stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to set this up efficiently, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try the software we'll be using. Stick around to the end to see how you can get it. First off, let's dive into why shared boards are a game changer for client reporting. If you're juggling multiple clients or teams, keeping everything organized in one place is crucial. Shared boards allow you to collaborate seamlessly, eliminating the need to chase down updates and feedback. Instead of sending endless email chains or updating documents, all the necessary information can be found in one centralized spot that your clients can access anytime. The first step is to choose the right software. We've tried all the most popular options, but today I'll show you the software that simplifies everything the most. With this software, you can create boards for each client or project and easily track progress. Each board becomes your central hub for client updates, reports, and communication. Once you've signed up for the software, you'll want to create a new board. This is where the magic happens. By creating a separate board for each client or project, you ensure that all relevant details are stored in one organized location. You can start by adding columns for key metrics or milestones you want to track, like campaign performance, project status, or any other important metrics. Now, the beauty of shared boards is that you don't have to keep sending reports manually. You can easily share the board with your clients, allowing them to check in whenever they want. You can also grant different access levels, so your clients can view or edit as needed. This takes the stress out of constant updates or back and forth communication. Another powerful feature of shared boards is real-time updates. Whenever you or your client make a change, it's instantly visible to everyone involved. No more worrying about outdated information or missed updates. Plus, you can set automated reminders to keep everyone on track, ensuring deadlines are met and nothing slips through the cracks. So what's the next step? Once you've set up the board and added all the necessary details, you can focus on customizing it to fit your client's needs. You can add comments, attach files, and even integrate other tools to make everything even more efficient. Before we wrap up, don't forget that the software we're using today offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below, so don't miss out on the chance to follow along with this tutorial and simplify your client reporting with shared boards. The key takeaway here is that simplifying client reporting is all about centralizing information and making communication easy. With shared boards, you keep everything in one place, save time, and ensure your clients always have access to the latest updates. To recap, start by creating a new board for each client, customize it with the relevant metrics, and share it with your client for real-time updates. This method will streamline your workflow, reduce the back and forth, and make client reporting so much easier. And finally, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start simplifying your client reporting today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.